Hello there, it's Fiona from Miss Paint A Lot, and welcome along to this flip through of this little writing set that we've been making live on the YouTube channel. It's as you see, it's almost A4 size. It's a very useful thing actually. There's lots of space in it to write, but it's also a beautiful gift for someone at this time of year. I know our thoughts are just turning to Christmas, so let's have a look what's in it. It's tied together with this lovely cream satin ribbon bow, and that opens up to reveal this front section here that has a beautiful pocket on it with these lovely roses and three tags in it. They're all coordinating, and they're all backed with coffee stained paper and sewn around, and they just fit in there so nicely. And you know, if you've used them, that's fine, take them out and replace them with something of your own, some ephemera of your own or photographs of your own. In the back we've got this big, well, it's really a big journaling tag, but you could easily put one of your own photographs on there and personalise it and write your little notes or your big notes in there, and that just fits nicely into there. So that folds down, and let's have a look what's on the inside. We've got a belly band with lace down it and a big journaling card. It's backed, it's coffee stained, it's inked around. It's really a nice page. And on the top, this is just, it's beautiful paper. I love these flowers. And inside this top flap we've got a journaling card with a tag on, and it's just got a little collage on there, a butterfly and a label. Plenty of room again for writing on. It really is a set for writing. There's plenty of space, and that just fits in there nicely, and it lets you know it's there by the little tag that it's got. And when you open that up, it's got a pocket here with another three tags. Once again, as I say, use them up and replace them with things, your own photographs, your own things, whatever it may be. And it's onto this lovely cream fabric. That brings us to the central section, which is these two lovely flaps with this little strip of decoration. And it opens up like that. I mean, look how fabulous that looks. It really is a lovely gift for somebody. So let's start with the centre. We've got a nice journal in there, really useful. Lots of journaling pages, stenciled on the inside to make it extra pretty, all inked around. All the pages are inked around as well. So it's really nice. And a butterfly on there. A little bit of lace across there, another little narrow belly band here, and it's got an envelope in there, and when you open it up there's more stenciling coordinating with that, and inside there's a little journaling card. It's so nice. That's a gorgeous little envelope, and it just tucks back into there so nicely. And on the left hand side we've got a long pocket with some lace down it, and we've got three journaling cards in here. Really beautiful. Look at that one, strawberry. It just all fits together, these papers, so nicely, and they fit into there, all sewn around and backed. And then on this side we've got two shorter little belly bands with two journaling cards in, and they, you know, they just coordinate. Everything just coordinates so nicely, and they tuck in there. And that's the right hand side. So the sides fold in first, then the top folds down, then the bottom folds up, and then on the back we've got even more journaling space. We've got a big pocket here with some lace across the top, and this journal, and this is the crux of the whole thing, isn't it, really? It's the forget-me-nots, the strawberries, the roses. It's got a big journal label on it, and it's beautiful. It's got this lovely pink interior which goes with the back page there, and all these lovely pages for you to write in. It's been hand sewn in with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and it just slides nicely into there, and it's accessible all the time for you to use. So there you are, there's our writing set. I hope you like it. I hope you can see use for it, or see somebody that you think would really get some use out of that, and you can gift it to them for Christmas or their birthday or whatever. Thanks for joining me. Bye.